welcome back everyone. Now let's start discussing how can you create a NumPy array from scratch. Okay, so the first way, okay, now let me write creating NumPy arrays. Okay, the first approach is from a Python list or using a Python list, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so what I can do is, if I have a Python list a equals to 4732, okay, what I can do is I can say a1 equals to np.array. okay, this function np.array, which is defined in the NumPy library. NP is NumPy library throughout this course. Okay, so np.array, what is np? Np is, if you remember, the alias that I have given to NumPy module while creating this course. Okay, so you will also follow the same because it's industry standard. Okay, now a1 equals to np.array and just provide the list, and that's it. If you check type of a1, it will be a NumPy array, and nd stands for n dimensional array. Okay, this is one way. Second way is you can directly do a1 equals to np.array and you can provide a Python list here. Okay, 47497 something. Okay, and again you can print a1. Okay, if you just print a1, if you just write a1, it will actually give you array and then list. Okay, so this is a representation of NumPy array, but when you put it within print, it doesn't print this extra array part. Okay, just some small differences. Okay, perfect. And when you check type of a1, it will be numpy.nd array. Okay, convinced that this is another way to create a NumPy array from a list? Now in industry, and you will understand this with experience, there are lots of use cases of creating a NumPy array of a particular size, of all the zeros, of all the ones. Okay, so how can we do that? So you can simply do np.zeros, zeros, and you just have to tell how many zeros. Let's say 4. Okay, and you can actually store it. A equals to this, print a. Okay, so by default it will create a NumPy array of floats 0.0, and that's something that we'll understand. But this is how you can create 4 zeros, or you can initialize a NumPy array with 4 zeros. Suppose you have to create this for ones. Okay, you can say np.ones and you can just provide the size 5, and if you print a, as you can see 1.1.1.1.1. Okay, so this is how you can create a NumPy array of a particular size having all zeros or having all ones. Okay, in the next session I'll tell you how you can create 2D NumPy arrays using Python lists. Thank you. Hey, I hope you have enjoyed the lecture and got to learn something from it. For well-structured guidance and live doubt sessions, you can check out the link in the description below. And the best part about it is that it's completely for free. So keep upskilling yourself, and we wish you all the very best for your journey. Take care.